Follow these steps to fix iPhone unexpected shutdown. Let's get in. First, check for battery issues. Your iPhone might be shutting down because of battery health problems. To check that, launch your settings. Now navigate to the option battery. Click on the option battery health. Click on maximum capacity. If you have above 85% off, your battery health is good. If your battery percent is below 80%, battery may need servicing. If it says service recommended, you might need a battery replacement. If your battery is draining fast, enable low power mode in settings and then battery. Next, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button plus volume button. Slide to power off and wait 30 seconds. Turn it back on and check if the issue persists. Next, check for iOS update. For that, navigate to the option General. Click on Software Update. If you find any available updates over here, just update your iOS to its latest version. Next, free up storage space. For that, head back, navigate to the option iPhone Storage. You can delete or offload any unused apps. Click on the app, select the option Offload or Delete. Next, reset all settings. For that, head back, scroll down, navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings and go through the process. If none of the above solution work, try using a third-party repair tool to fix iOS system issues. ViBoot, iPhone Fixer, or Dr. Phone Repair. Following these steps, you will be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.